Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's second air fryer recipe, I am sharing with you a delicious Desi style turkey meatball. Comes together really quickly, and you won't believe the beautiful golden color that you get out of the air fryer. So if you guys love air fryer recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So in front of me, I have all the ingredients that I need to make my Desi style meatballs. So I've got ground turkey here. I've chopped up some onions. This is minced garlic and then cilantro. So that is all my aromatics. And then over here, I've got my spices. So I've got cumin, coriander, salt, black pepper, chili pepper. I've got a little bit of chili flakes, and then oregano gives it a really good flavor. So those are all my spices. And then my binding agent is just gonna be my egg. So just put this all in your bowl, and you might hear a little noise. My air fryer is preheating on the side here to 400 degrees. All right, and give this all a good mix. All right, that is nice and mixed together. And now we're just going to form little balls. And in my air fryer, over here that's already preheated, I'm going to spray a little bit of avocado oil, just so it doesn't stick on the bottom. And then take about 1/8 cup of the meat, form it into a little ball, and then just place it on or in your air fryer. And that is it. You're gonna probably have 2 batches of this, but don't overcrowd the drawer. And then just cook it for about 10 to 12 minutes. Halfway through, I do like to take it out, give it a little shake, move around so that all of the sides cook nice and evenly. All right, welcome back. So my air fryer just beeped. I did give it a few shakes throughout the 12 minutes just so all the sides cook evenly, but let's open it and take a look. Oh yes, that is perfect. Nice and golden. And then if I do this, look at that, nothing sticks to the pan. Awesome, guys. Air fryers are amazing. I'm gonna take one over here and cut it open for you guys. Ooh, perfectly cooked. All right, I'm gonna let this cool a little bit before I give it a taste test because I don't wanna burn my mouth. So give me a few minutes. All right, let's hope I don't burn my mouth. That is so good and flavorful. You get a crunch from the cilantro and the onions, and the garlic flavor and the masalas. That is so good. You can't believe that it was made in about 30 minutes. It takes no time at all. You can make a bunch for a lot of people. That is good. If you guys love meatballs, and especially Desi style meatballs, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. Fryer just beeped, which means that it's good.